how to find the zeros of these two polynomials using this calculator. So first, make sure that the polynomial is arranged in standard form and let a, b, and c be equal to the numerical coefficient of each term. For a, that is the numerical coefficient of the first term. Then for b, that's the numerical coefficient of the second term, which is negative 19. For c, that's the constant, which is negative 14. Now, in the calculator, just click mode. Then choose number 5, which is equation 5. And since the first example has a degree of 2, it means ang pipiliin natin dito ay yung number 3, na merong highest exponent niya ay 2. So, we'll just press 3. Lalabas dyan yung a, b, and c. So, yung values ng a, b, and c natin dito na galing sa numerical coefficient ng bawat term, i-enter lang natin dito sa calculator. So, magsisimula tayo sa a. Ang a natin is positive 3. So, just press 3 and then equal. For b, we have negative 19. So, negative and then 19 equal. For c, we have negative 14. So, negative and then 14 equal. Now, since kompleto na yung values natin ng a, b, and c, para makuha na natin yung zeros, click nyo lang ulit yung equal. So, click equal. At lalabas na yung unang value ng x. So, x sub 1 is equal to 7. Then, kung meron pang ibang zeros or ibang roots yung polynomial, click nyo ulit yung equal. So, for x sub 2, we have negative 2/3. And that's it. So, it means, for number 1, the zeros are positive 7 and negative 2/3. Now, paano naman kapag katulad nito? The degree of the polynomial is 3. So, let a, b, c, and d be equal to the numerical coefficient of each term. A for the first term, so that's 2. B for the second term, negative 3. C, we have negative 32. And for D, negative 15. Now, pagdating dito sa calculator, balik lang tayo sa mode. And then, equation ulit, number 5. And since the degree of this polynomial is 3, or yung highest exponent ay 3, ang pipiliin natin ay yung number 4, na merong 3 as the highest exponent. So, 4. And now, pwede na natin i-encode ang bawat value. So, for A, meron tayong positive 2. Just click equal. For B, we have negative 3. Negative 3 equal. For C, negative 32 equal. And then, for D, we have negative 15. So, negative 15. Okay. Since kompleto na sila, click nyo lang ulit yung equal para sa unang value. X sub 1, we have negative 3. So, just write x sub 1, negative 3. Another. X sub 2, we have positive 5. X sub 2, positive 5. X sub 3 is equal to negative 1/2. X sub 3 equals negative 1/2. And that's it. So, the zeros are negative 3, positive 5, and negative 1/2.